Now the SMS service just simply means you want to purchase a number for one-time use only. So it is different from the rental. So all you have to do is to click on get number, choose the country phone number you want. After that, choose the service you want to use the number for. Then you can see the cost. If you have any discount code, you can apply it right here. Then after that, you click on get number. Then you click on get number. And that is it. As you can see, we've gotten our number right here. Now, if you copy this phone number, type it in the service you want to use it on, they are going to set code and the code is going to appear here. And that is it. Once the code appears here, you can type in the code in your app and that is it. Now, as you can see, this is the number we just purchased. And if for some reason you don't get code when you try to use this number, you can easily click on refund and you're going to get refunded. Just like that. As you can see, it has been cancelled, which means our balance is now back to our account.